So today we're going to take a look at the Libratone Air Plus 2. These are coming in at $230, which puts them in competition with some of the most premium earbuds on the market. So we're going to take a look at these and see if what they bring to the table is worth that $230 price tag. So starting off with the charging case, you're getting a very compact size, similar to what you would get with a pair of AirPods. The first thing that you'll notice is definitely the finish and the materials that were put into these earbuds. The case is plastic, but it feels very high quality, and that reflective logo in the center of the case gives it a very premium feel. On the back of the case, you have a pairing or reset button, and on the bottom, you have your USB Type-C charging port. Once you open the case, both earbuds are completely visible, which makes putting them in and out of the case extremely easy. Also, the case does support wireless charging. Moving over to the earbuds, you're getting that same premium build quality as you are with the case. You can see with the stem, it has a triangular shape, and it's also very thin, which helps a lot in terms of the fit, which we'll talk more about later. The earbuds also feature touch controls as well as in-ear detection. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.2, which is going to give you a very stable connection, and they do support independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the case. Now, these don't support multi-point connection, but you can customize the touch controls to switch between the last three paired devices. So if you have maybe a phone, a laptop, and a tablet that you typically use the earbuds with, you can use the touch controls to switch between those devices without having to go into your Bluetooth settings and change devices manually. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 6 hours on a single charge, with a total of up to 24 hours including the case. You're also getting an IP54 dust and water resistant rating, which gives these plenty of protection from things like sweat and splashes of water. So when it comes to the fit, these are absolutely excellent. They are definitely small ear approved. The overall size and shape of the earbuds just works extremely well, and it sits nicely right in the groove of your ear. On top of that, the earbuds are very lightweight, so they're also extremely comfortable. Now, when it comes to the touch controls, you do have the option of a double tap and a triple tap, which can be customized for each particular earbud within the Libratone app. So unfortunately, you're not getting access to all of your controls at once. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So within the Libratone app, you do have a few EQ presets to choose from. You have Auto EQ, which kind of detects the earbuds in your ear and adjusts the sound accordingly. You also have Neutral, you have Extra Bass, and you have Enhanced Treble. Overall, the sound quality on these is very clean. The mids and highs are balanced very nicely, so you get a great amount of detail and clarity. As far as bass, these do give you a nice punch, but the sound is certainly not bass heavy. Instead, they're giving you more of a balanced sound. As far as max volume, these certainly have you covered. I think they get more than loud enough for the average person. When it comes to active noise cancellation, these are set up very similar to how Sony does their earbuds. So you have a transparency mode, you have a comfort mode, and you have an adjustable mode. So with the transparency mode, that's going to allow you to hear your surroundings for those times that you need to be more aware of what's going on around you. This feature does work well. It gives you a very natural type of sound. It doesn't draw in your surroundings quite as effectively as some other earbuds out there, but it's definitely respectable. Comfort mode is the equivalent of adaptive sound control on Sony's earbuds. So this is where the earbuds detect the amount of noise going on around you and adjust your active noise cancellation accordingly. So if you're in a quiet environment and then all of a sudden things get really noisy, you can hear the earbuds adjusting to your environment. And then the adjustable mode allows you to set the level of active noise cancellation anywhere from 0 all the way to 30. Overall, the active noise cancellation is very effective, but it's not quite on the level of your Bose or Sony. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Libratone Air Plus 2. So this should give you an idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these for phone calls in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. All right, so now we got some crowd noise being played on a speaker.
So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you choose to take calls in a more noisy environment. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
So overall, based on performance and specs alone, I do think the price is going to be a tough sell. But the performance and specs, along with the premium design, the build quality, and the materials does make this pair stand out. Now, whether that's worth the premium, I think it depends on who you ask. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.